Hi friends, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of it's not working on your device on the application of NFL. You will go to settings. In this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about the application of NFL. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of NFL. And here in this page, if you find updating this blue sign, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us.